Alright, I don't. This one's yellow. The other, I should do this on camera. It's okay. Let me do this on camera. I ain't got the right motherfucking whatchamacallit anyway right now. Alright guys, we're gonna do a Beyblade unboxing. You know my favorite colors is red, black, and white. This shit ain't got none of those, but it's different. The last Beyblade is red. The Beyblade that's inside the tent is red. The Beyblade at the Graffiti Jungle tent house. The Beyblade at the Graffiti Jungle Gym tent house is yeah. It's red or burgundy. So the last time I did that Beyblade unboxing, it was not, I didn't do it too well. So I know not to do that on camera no more. I know not to do that on camera. Not a Beyblade. Not a Beyblade. Shit. Goddamn. See? This is when it gets barbaric. I be trying to do it. I be trying to whatchamacallit. But, okay. Alright. This one's, I'm doing a little bit better. It's not as messy as my other one. This only comes with the Beyblade. I have the string launcher. I have 3 launchers now. I have 1 launcher. Oh, it's yellow and orange. Got a pop of color on it. I have a string launcher. So this is actually an experiment because I want to see, the string launcher said Beyblade X, and those Beyblades are small. When I was growing up, Beyblades were not this small. This little bitch ass Beyblade. That's why I would call this shit. This shit would be losing. Back in my day, Beyblades were bigger. And you had the these bitch ass Beyblades. But I want to see if the launcher works for this. If not, I have another launcher that does work for this. And I just don't remember if Beyblades were easy to put together or not back in the day. I just know we had a Beyblade stadium. We had a Beyblade stadium. Y'all don't go outside enough. It's a different generation. You gotta understand your audience. I don't know who my audience is, but we used to go outside in the morning. Can such and such come outside? Bring your Beyblade. Hey, bro, y'all don't have Beyblade. I promise you, I know ain't no kids doing that nowadays. They are not doing that, bro. We used to wake up in the morning, knock on the door. Can such and such come outside? Bring your Beyblade, bro. Bring the Beyblade. You see how long this took me to tell this goddamn Beyblade? Imagine we try to do this shit and edit it on whatchamacallit. So technically, now this is the other part. I understand it now. But I don't know if it's like true for real. It got an L and an R. So technically, this one's supposed to be spinning right. Or you're not gonna be able to tell. But it has an L and an R. And basically, I can turn this part. If I switch it, I want you to be like, it does turn it that way. I feel like there ain't no other way to turn this shit. This shit locked? Oh, no. All right, I turned it. So if I do it like this, unfortunately the camera's not that great, but now it's on L, and so that means it's supposed to spin left. And whereas, let's see if I can try to turn this shit on camera. Yeah, you see that little tick? Now it's supposed to be spinning right. And I'm not sure what makes a difference. So you want to put that up there and turn it, and then you put your little jump, that little piece right there. Now we got the Beyblade. So I'm gonna see tomorrow if the other launcher will work with this one. It's supposed to be a string launcher. It's supposed to be Beyblade X. I'm not sure how many different Beyblade sizes they have, but Beyblade X and the other Beyblade one. The other one, the other one I have, the bigger one, I feel like that's what Beyblade is supposed to be like that. That's the size. They're supposed to be like there. These ones, I don't know. So here's this. This is called Scythe Incendio 380B. How do they get these names? It's not good for shit. I don't know. It's supposed to, I think it's just have a very balanced attack. It has a very balanced attack. But we'll see what this